Okay, should we go to the market first and see if my favourite haberdashery stall's there, Sarah's stall? So look, when you come to the market, you really get things that you just cannot get anywhere else. Look at these. Look at these brilliant oranges and cherries and these apple garlands. I'm definitely coming back for those for our set. Okay, great for sewing threads. Complete bargain. Sewing threads. Look at this stuff. It's like fake leather, double-sided ties. I'm sure it's not called that. Look at that shiny silver. Let's trace it up. Look at that shiny silver cording. Look, don't you think this would make a brilliant sewing gift for someone sewing Susan? So great to see all these shops open again. And my most favourite one, Classic Textiles. How much is the quilted fabric? £12. But do you know what? It's double, let me go over. It's double-sided. It's actually darker. Let me try and show you. It's darker than it looks here. It's double-sided. I like it, but I know it sounds bad. I've got to go and look downstairs at Classic. So look, you know my shiny black coat?
Yeah, this is good.
Hang on. Look. So it's not cotton. Can you see? It's not cotton. It is synthetic, but it is really nice, and it's £12. £12 is actually good for this. I don't know what you think, but it is. So if you like my shiny coat, you can make a white one. But let me slowly let you see in there. Now that is actually more copper than it looks on the camera. Can you see that?
You mean something like this?
So ignore the colour that you can see. Oh, maybe near there. They make a great, shiny bucket coat. So in these shops, you do have to do a bit more work. So it may not look like much, but then when you look, that's the same fabric as my Pontoon tier coat, and it's a showerproof gingham. I'm just going to ask him how much it is. So Rashid said that's £6.50 a metre, and it's like 140 or 50 wide. It's really, really wide. So if you wanted to make that Pontoon tier coat, I think you can definitely make it out of 3 metres. So 6, 12, 18 £18. That's such a bargain. Or a bucket coat. This is amazing. How much is this?
This one I sell £6.50.
How much?
£6.50. And
Right.
I have more here.
So Rashid said that this is pure wool. Really? Okay. So it's pure wool, and it's £6.50 a metre. It's really stiff, and obviously it's going to make amazing straps on bags. Wow. So Rashid's doing the test where you burn it. So how do you know if it's wool, Rashid?
If it's melt, it's polyester. If it's burn,
Right.
they give you smell, then you can tell it's wool.
So if it smells like burning hair,
Yeah.
then is that a sign of it being some sort of natural thing?
And wool.
Or wool?
Wool, yeah.
Okay, so at the moment what's happening? Should we go right into it?
This is going to melt, so that means it's not pure.
Okay.
It's polyester
So
or
let me try and
nylon.
focus.
Yeah,
Okay, so that means it's not...
not natural, but it's nice and strong.
It's still nice and strong though, isn't it? Okay, so we said that this is wool, but we think now...
Yeah, I did check, it's not.
Yeah, but it might not be completely polyester. But anyway, that just means it's stronger, yeah? Yeah. So look, you remember my bucket coat? So it's made of this fabric. Now you do need to heat fix it actually, because the print, I don't think it's colour fast. So just heat fix it with an iron. So how much is it?
£5.
£5 a metre. Have you got loads more of this?
got more than 20 meters.
More than 20 meters. Okay, well for now, can I just get 3 meters?
Okay.
Yeah.
No problem.
And I'm thinking about this one because I think this is, stay still. This fabric is nice when you mix it up with something else. So keep still, camera. Right, so this stuff is just £5 a metre, but you must fix the pattern with an iron. And because it's velvet, you might want another piece of velvet when you press it, because you don't want to squash the pile. So I'm trying to decide, shall I have the sleeves in red and the coat in blue, and then I'll do the Gucci Go Faster stripe, or should I have the sleeves in this sort of, it's actually black, I know it looks navy blue on camera. Yeah. At Classic Textiles, and once again you walk in and you think, oh, but you wait. When you look, when you delve deep and take the time to look, you find the most amazing bargains. Right, I'm here to look at this lot here. So you know how obsessed I am with showerproof quilted fabric. Good gosh. So I'm not sure if I like this or not. I don't know. I'm trying to decide. I'm also trying to work out what it says. Does it say Chang'e, or does it say Chang? Anyway, let's have a closer look. So it's shinier than it looks, sort of iridescent. Can you see that? Focus. So it's like iridescent, shiny. Love a bit of shiny. And it's quilted, but not double-sided. Oh, gosh. Do I want a Japanese tote bag made of that? I don't know. Anyway, look, they've got other colours. I'm imagining it some sort of dead stock. Look, black. What's the other side like? Okay, it's white on the other side. Slightly quilted, but quite drapey. Oh, really bad focus. Can you see that colour? It's like a coppery gold colour. Anyway, the guy just said it's £14.50 a metre. I think you can buy half a metre. I can't remember if she does that. Oh, I'm tempted, but I'm not sure. Once again, if you like my shiny black bucket coat, I'll put a link below if you want to see it. I don't know how much this is, but it's probably something like £12. So we're downstairs at Classic Textiles, and I'm just going to move over here. Look at that. So this is another showerproof fabric. Wow, that's so nice. So I've come upstairs now, and look at this kind of patchworky fur. It really is a good quality. You know, you sometimes get fur and it's not very good quality. So Anitza said this is £20 a metre, and it's so wide. I know we're coming into summer, but you know when you see something and, I don't know, you need to get it. So there are lots of places to go in the Gold Hawk Road. But I decided just to come to 2 shops today, and I've come to Classic Textiles because she was so supportive with supplying fabric for PPE for nurses, which I'm not allowed to tell you, but she actually donated it. So that's why I'm here as well. Okay, now I don't know if these are Linton tweeds, but they're very Chanel-like, and I know that there'll be a complete bargain here. Oh gosh, very Chanel-like. So, oh, focus. So it feels very Chanel-like, and according to the label it's £24.50 and quite wide. So this is what I used for the Easy Sew cardigan video. I really think more people should watch it because it's a self-drafted cardigan. You just trace off your existing one and I show you how to make it. So I'll try and show you the right side, but just go and watch the video. It's so soft and such a fantastic quality. And guess how much it is? It's £6 a metre. That's too cheap. Oh, it really isn't coming out well on the screen, but it's like oh, a peachy? No, it's not. Baby peachy pinky colour, and it's stretchy, so you can make a wonderful Chanel-esque cardigan out of that. Look at it, it's all sort of fluffy looking, and that's $24.50. And look, oh, break my back and go back. It's double width. So I was just about to go and I just saw this fabric. So it's kind of like a linen. Is it linen?
It is linen.
Like
100%.
100% linen. By the way, these two here are the owners. That's Anitza.
Hi, Baba, say hello.
And your dad, hello. Hello. Been here for how many years?
50 years.
You've actually been here for 50 years.
Classic Textile's been here for 50 years. We've had it for good 40 years.
That's amazing, isn't it? Anyway, back to the fabric. £19.50, very, very wide. What would you do if you were me? Should we go in a bit closer? Yeah, nice. And you know that fabric downstairs? Do you know what it says? It says change. Wow, that really makes me want it. Right, this is me properly going. But I just saw this. So look at that. So that's like a double-faced, a brushed fabric on one side and then waterproof on the other. Okay, I'm going now.